Oh baby, is it raining? Is it? Not jumping on me? No. You don't like the rain, do you? Oh. You got a friend. Come and play. Oh, don't take the lady out. Whoa. Yeah, she prefers human affection. Brandy, down. Don't.
Gonna be a big dog soon.
No, that's her full size.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
No, she's a runt.
oh right. Oh, that's
Stop.
nice.
Brandy, stop.
Sorry, Ella, you thought you were on to a winner there.
Brandy, come here, girl.
Ah, there's
Oh, hello. Play nice, or you'll go back on your lead. Brandy, will you behave? Oh, right in here. Brandy, down. Brandy.
How old?
6.
6, really?
Down.
I thought you were a puppy.
Yeah, she's a runt.
Oh. Hello.
Normally she hates the rain.
She's loving it today, isn't she?
Hello. You need to be tried, don't you? Oh. Now you've gone blind! What happened?
What is the harm of you coming to the baby show on?
I don't say there's any harm to it.
I have no one to sit with you all the time.
True. Might as well come with. Get some drinks.
We'll have a laugh. We'll
Mum.
sit there taking piss out of people.
You having fun?
I have run that claiming in there.
No.
I've been hearing that for days.
Right, you're going to be difficult, are you? I'll stand on your lead and you are going to have this wash.